Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the HeadRush Pedalboard that I've got my hands on. So let's look at the ports behind the board. So first thing you will see at the back, that's the input. That's where your guitar or your keyboard or whatever instrument that you want to connect goes. Then we have the expression too. That is, if you have an external expression pedal that you would want to use with this particular board. We have the aux in. If you want to play a particular song or loop through the board, we have the output. We have the XLR right and left. We also have the ground left. You can press this particular button to set the ground mode. We also have the 1/4" jack. So this is the right, this is the left. We also have this particular toggle button over here. So over here it is at amp, and over here it is at line. You use the amp when you are playing directly to an amp or a combo, and then you use this particular line when you are playing directly to a mixer. And then you have the phones, that's a jack for your headphones. And then for the FX loop, we have the send and return. You can send in stereo, so the right and the left. You also have this toggle button over here. If you are playing directly to stomp box pedals, you can set it over here. If you are playing it directly towards a rack effect, you can set it over here. By default, it is at stomp. Then we have the return. You can return in stereo as well. So there's the right, there's the left. We also have the MIDI cable input. We have the in and then the out or through. Then we have the USB-B port. This is where you can connect this board to your laptop or desktop or whatever that you want to connect it to, and you can stream audio through this particular port to your digital audio workstation. This is the power button. This is the power cable port. It can range between 100 volts to 240 volts at 50 or 60 hertz, and it is rated at 1.2 amperes. Let's see how huge this board is. Now this board looks cute on videos, but in actual sense the board is 2 feet wide. That's extremely huge, and it is 1 feet long. Now at the bottom you would see parts like this that prevents the board from sliding when you are playing on a slippery stage. And therefore, so if I put the board down and I try pushing it, you realize the board is going nowhere. Now out of the box, the board also comes with this USB-B cable, which you can plug this side to the USB pads. And it also comes with its own power cable for the power side. So basically this is a brief rundown of the HeadRush pedal board